and welcome on today's little video. I'm going to be hopefully installing the engine back into the car today. Or I should say, I will be putting the engine back into the car. The 1969 Mustang project car. So let's get going straight away. I just want to give you guys a little tip on the exhaust manifold bolts. They will usually get rusted when solid. What I like to use is the anti-seize. I like to use the little packets that you would get with like an oxygen sensor. It's like a high temp type anti-seize, and I find that works pretty good. So that's just a little tip for you guys. But I do want to show you guys something, new garage lighting. So finally some new garage lighting so we can actually see what's going on in here. But this is as far as I have got on the engine install. I've done all the little things, but you'll notice that a lot of it is not done. Most notably, we are missing a carburetor. And some wires. So I'm going to save that for a later video because that is some upgrades that I'm going to be doing on this car. Subscribe if you want to, and I will see you next time.
Thank you.